When life gets messy, you need a way to keep your home clean, wherever you are. The JISIWEI I5 is a revolutionary vacuum cleaning robot that not only takes care of those everyday messes, but doubles as a home security system. With its powerful motor and rapid middle brushes, the i5 helps you stay ahead of every one of those little spills. The i5's slim design and spinning side brushes allow you to clean all your hard-to-reach places. With i5's auto recharge function, you never have to worry about it running out of battery. Anti-crash and anti-drop features keep your furniture and your i5 safe. The i5 is not just a robot. It's a vacuum cleaner, a security system, and most importantly, part of the family.